Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A desert oasis, cactus garden design with a pool. Imagine a backyard sanctuary that blends the rugged beauty of the desert with the refreshing allure of a swimming pool. A cactus garden design with a pool offers a unique and low-maintenance escape, perfect for hot climates and arid regions. Here's how to create this captivating outdoor space. Setting the stage, arid palette. The foundation of your garden is the selection of cacti and succulents. Choose a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures, with colors that complement the natural desert tones of brown, beige, and green. Opt for cacti with vibrant flower colors for pops of color throughout the year. Gravel mulch. Gravel is the ideal mulch for a cactus garden. It suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and creates a clean, low-maintenance aesthetic that mimics the natural desert landscape. Pathways and stepping stones. Optional: create designated walking paths using stone pavers, flagstone, or decomposed granite. Stepping stones can be used to navigate around larger cacti or access specific areas of the garden. The cooling focal point. Pool design. The pool itself should be designed to blend seamlessly with the desert theme. Consider geometric shapes with clean lines, and a light blue or turquoise finish that reflects the desert sky. Desert-inspired accents. Optional: incorporate natural stone pavers around the pool deck to create a cohesive look. Large boulders strategically placed can add visual interest and mimic the rocky desert landscape. Drought-tolerant plants around the pool. Optional: while cacti shouldn't be planted too close to the pool, to avoid falling needles, drought-tolerant perennials like lavender, ornamental grasses, or yuccas can add splashes of color and soften the edges of the pool deck. Living in harmony with the desert. Water conservation. Choose a pool size and design that complements your available water resources. Consider installing a pool cover to minimize evaporation, and explore drought-resistant landscaping techniques to conserve water throughout your garden. Xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is the practice of landscaping with plants that require minimal water. This is crucial for a desert garden. Choose cacti and succulents specifically known for their drought tolerance. Sustainable materials. Opt for sustainable materials like recycled stone or decomposed granite for pathways and patios. This minimizes your environmental impact while creating a beautiful desert aesthetic. A cactus garden with a swimming pool is more than just a backyard, it's a desert oasis. By embracing the natural beauty of the arid landscape, incorporating water-wise features, and creating a space that complements the desert's unique ecosystem, you can create a backyard retreat that is both beautiful and sustainable. Reasons for a cactus garden with a pool. A cactus garden with a swimming pool offers a unique and rewarding approach to outdoor living, especially in hot climates. Here's why you should consider this beautiful and resilient combination. Low-maintenance paradise. Cacti and succulents require minimal watering, making this garden ideal for busy lifestyles or water-conscious individuals. Say goodbye to constant watering and hello to more relaxation time. Arid allure. The stark beauty of cacti and the refreshing coolness of a pool create a captivating contrast. This unique aesthetic celebrates the natural desert landscape and offers a tranquil escape from the ordinary. Year-round interest. Cacti and succulents come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and vibrant flower colors, providing year-round visual interest. The ever-changing desert landscape inspires a sense of serenity and connection with nature. Water-wise retreat. With water conservation being a growing concern, a cactus garden with a pool sized appropriately for your resources creates a sustainable outdoor space. Xeriscaping techniques and drought-tolerant plants minimize water usage without sacrificing beauty, perfect for entertaining. The refreshing pool becomes the centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. The low-maintenance garden allows you to focus on spending quality time with friends and family, not endless yard work. Planting the seeds of success. Getting started with your desert oasis. Turning your backyard into a cactus garden oasis with a pool requires planning and creativity. Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Assess your space. Measure your available area and consider sun exposure. Cacti thrive in full sun, so ensure your chosen location receives ample sunlight throughout the day. 2. Plan your pool. Consult with pool professionals to design a pool that complements your desert theme and fits comfortably within your space and budget. Explore water-saving features and finishes that reflect the desert aesthetic. 3. Embrace xeriscaping. Research drought-tolerant plants suitable for your climate. Cacti and succulents are a must, but explore ornamental grasses, yuccas, and flowering perennials for added color and texture. 4. Pathways and patios. Choose sustainable materials like decomposed granite or recycled stone for walkways and patios. These create a cohesive look and minimize heat absorption compared to traditional materials. 5. Desert-inspired accents. Incorporate natural stone pavers around the pool and strategically placed boulders to mimic the desert landscape. These elements add visual interest and create a sense of harmony with the surroundings. 6. Water conservation matters. Install a pool cover to minimize evaporation. Utilize graywater systems, if permitted, to irrigate your desert garden. Every drop counts in an arid environment. 7. Lighting for ambience. Optional solar-powered lights strategically placed can enhance the beauty of your desert garden and pool area in the evenings, creating a magical outdoor ambience. 8. Enjoy the journey. Building your desert oasis is a process. Embrace the challenge, learn about desert plants, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating a unique and sustainable outdoor space. A cactus garden with a swimming pool is more than just a garden and a pool, it's a celebration of the desert's unique beauty. By embracing water-wise practices, selecting drought-tolerant plants, and incorporating natural elements, you can create a backyard retreat that is both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.